Have you ever thought about a question like this? If ants had a civilization similar to humans, what would their view of the universe be? How would humans affect them? For example, some people used to scatter candies around the ants' nests. The prophets of the ant kingdom observed and summarized this phenomenon. They thought it was a gift from the gods, and established the candy religion. They believed that if they prayed, they would get a constant supply of food, but after a long time, no more humans came to throw food. No matter how much the ants prayed, it didn't help. So many ants began to question the existence of the gods. During this period, some scientific pioneers emerged in the ant world. They started a massive scientific enlightenment movement. They were the first to explore the inside of their nests. They discovered that the entire nest was surrounded by transparent glass. So the ant scientists called the part inside the glass the earth, and called the transparent glass that surrounded it the atmosphere. Driven by curiosity, they kept exploring the outside world, and discovered that beyond the glass was a room where humans lived, and called this vast space the universe. At this point, the ant society was like opening the door to a new world. They began to discover all kinds of new things in the universe. Like a light bulb that emits light, they named it the sun. They also discovered the biggest cause of instability in the universe, humans. Although it's safe most of the time, but once in a while, a tiny movement can cause a violent upheaval in the universe. The ants called this phenomenon cosmic storms, and after a long period of observation and research, summarized the ant civilization's first law of the universe. According to this law, the timing of cosmic storms is random and irregular. Not only is it unpredictable, but the results of each storm are different. One of the famous ant scientists in the course of research on the sun, he discovered that the surface of the sun has a layer of glass that is the same material as the Earth's atmosphere and called it the solar wall. This amazing discovery took the ant world by storm. Scientists, according to the atmosphere and the solar wall of the intrinsic connection, they proposed the hypothesis of the birth of the universe. The universe began as a giant glass ball, suddenly exploded one day. The resulting fragments evolved over a long period of time, with one part forming the sun and the other part forming the Earth. Although this hypothesis explains part of the universe, but it's also challenged by some ant scientists, because it didn't solve the problem of cosmic storms. Later, they discovered the glass windows in human rooms, and proposed a multiverse and an infinite universe. And later on, they observed the doors through which humans enter and exit. The ants came up with the hypothesis of black holes and white holes. When the gate opens, it's a black hole. When the gate is closed, it's a white hole. If you go in through a black hole, you might come out through a white hole at the other end, so you can travel between universes. As the world of ants develops technologically, various hypotheses have been proposed over and over again, continuously refreshing the ants' knowledge. However, to humans, these so-called explorations and discoveries of the ants are nothing. So, to higher dimensional civilizations, is what we humans do as ignorant and even ridiculous as the behavior of ants?